In primetime news this evening, Dalrymple Philibert freed from illegal dumping charge. More secret recordings reveal suspicion among alleged gang members in the Wandon gang trial. And later, social media scam. Victims tell their stories in a special primetime news in focus report.
Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, there's the business day. There's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening, we're asking, what has been your experience with the increase in taxi fares? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.